Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I want to point out something very interesting on this Toyota Tundra. So I was looking at the paint, which looks really nice. It has 19,000 miles on it, but as I was cleaning it and wiping down near the rocker panels, it turned to this really thick orange peel. And I thought, oh no, what has gone wrong here? Look at this. This is like very, out of place. And so I was wondering, and I looked on the other side of the vehicle and saw the same thing. It's basically going down the sides from wheel well to wheel well, and so it has such a thick texture to it. And I was wondering if something had gone wrong and they maybe tried to make the other side match or what had happened. But it turns out this is called Stone Guard. And so basically it's a material that Toyota will add to the body before they paint it. It's supposedly like a beige color before the vehicle's painted. And so it's supposed to help as rock chips or stones hit that part of the vehicle. And it will take the paint off. It's not going to prevent that, but it should help with rust and some other things. So anyways, it was something that caught me off guard, and I wasn't sure if this was normal or not, but after researching it, that's what it was. So you definitely will feel it as you're cleaning it. The texture is completely different and not as smooth as the rest. And so you don't really notice it unless you are looking at it, but just wanted to show you this video on this and just say that from everything I've seen, it's completely normal, and it's something that Toyota's been doing for a little while now. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Check the video description for playlists I have on this truck and some others that are like it. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.